Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by linking a funding source so transfers can clear. Open Wallet and select the Apple Savings Card. Tap Add Bank or Add Card and follow prompts. Use instant verification for fastest setup or confirm 2 small deposits when required. Once linked, make sure the account has sufficient available balance and that routing/account numbers match. This reduces transfer failures and speeds processing. Now you're ready to initiate your first transfer from that verified source. Next, choose Transfer or Move Money in Wallet and pick one-time or recurring transfer. Enter the exact dollar amount. Note that transfers may take 1-3 business days depending on your bank and method. Select your linked bank or card as the source and Apple Savings as the destination. Once done, review the transfer details, including expected arrival date, then authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. This confirms the transfer and prevents accidental moves. Finally, verify the transfer in Wallet's activity feed and note the expected arrival date. If you see a hold or failure, first check your linked bank's daily transfer limits and that small deposit verification completed. Insufficient funds commonly cause rejections. If limits and verification are fine, cancel and retry the transfer, or switch to the other linked funding source. If problems persist beyond 1 business day, contact your bank and Apple support with the transaction ID for fast resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.